Automate Pricing lets you dynamically adjust your prices within set limits to help your offers remain competitive. In the Pricing Rules page in Seller Central, you will see all your current rules and their descriptions in the Rules Summary column. For predefined pricing rules, select Edit SKUs to enroll your SKUs and apply the rule. For inactive rules, select Setup Rule to begin configuration. To modify an existing rule, select the drop-down menu in the Action column and click Edit Rule. You can edit your rule the same way as you first set it up. For example, you can add or remove quantity tiers and percentage off discounts for each quantity level. Then select Save and Activate to apply the updated pricing rule parameters across all SKUs assigned to the rule. Then you'll be taken to the Manage SKUs page where you can assign additional SKUs to your modified rule or remove SKUs from the rule. To pause, resume, or delete a pricing rule, go to the Pricing Rules page, select the drop-down menu in the Action column, and click your desired action. Pausing a rule temporarily stops automated price adjustments and saves the rule parameters for when you want to apply it again in the future. Deleting a rule permanently removes all SKUs from the rule and deletes historical pricing data associated with that rule. You will be prompted to confirm deletion before you remove a pricing rule. To view the pricing history of Automate Pricing enrolled SKUs, select Edit SKUs in the Action column of the Pricing Rules page. Locate a SKU, select the drop-down menu in the Action column, and choose View Pricing History. Use the date range fields to select start and end dates between which you'd like to review pricing changes. The Response column lists price changes applied by pricing rules, and the Trigger column lists events that influence them. These events may include reasons why automated pricing was stopped, such as a manual price update or a SKU's listing status changing from active to inactive. If a listing is inactive, it won't appear on the Manage SKUs page until you fix it, and any pricing rules that apply to the listing will remain paused. To learn how to apply pre-populated and custom pricing rules to your SKUs, watch the Automate Pricing Apply Pricing Rules video in Seller Central.